Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the hardware and firmware so the router can recognize the drive. First, confirm the router's USB port type and that your SSD is in a powered enclosure if needed. This avoids power or compatibility failures. Once done, update router firmware and back up its settings so new storage support applies cleanly. Next, connect the SSD to a computer and format it to a router-compatible file system like XFAT or ext4 to prevent access errors when you plug it in. You now connect the SSD to the router and configure sharing services so devices can access it. After plugging it in, wait for the router's USB or storage LED to stabilize. This indicates the drive mounted. Then log into the admin interface, navigate to storage or USB settings, and enable SMB or FTP file sharing. Pick the protocol your clients use. Make sure to set folder permissions and create user accounts with strong passwords, so access is controlled and predictable across your network. You finish by verifying access and setting up maintenance so the SSD works reliably. Map the network drive on your devices or mount it using the router's IP path, then test both read and write speeds to confirm stability. Once working, enable scheduled backups to that SSD and configure idle or sleep rules to reduce wear. If the drive doesn't appear, check power and cable connections, ensure correct USB mode. Try reformatting to a supported file system, and review router logs for mounting or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.